Hello, and welcome. You are listening to the English Essences podcast. I am Emma. Take a slow breath with me. Yes, you are safe here. You can relax.
Hello, everyone. I am Alex. We are very happy you are here today. This podcast is slow, calm, and friendly. You do not need to hurry. Just listen and feel comfortable.
Today, we will talk about something very important in daily life. It is about self-discipline. Yes, self-discipline for success. But don't worry, we will talk in a very simple, gentle way.
Yes, many people think self-discipline is hard. They think it means being strict or angry with yourself. But that is not true.
Before we go deeper, let me explain one useful word for you. The word is discipline. Discipline means the ability to control your actions. For example, I wake up early every day. That is discipline. It is about small, regular actions.
Yes. Discipline is not punishment. It is care. Yes, it is like helping yourself do the right thing, even when you feel lazy.
Let's talk about daily life. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning. Your alarm rings, you feel tired. Your bed feels warm. Very warm.
Yes, and your phone is near you. You want to check messages, you want to scroll. This moment is very important.
Now, let me explain another useful word. The word is habit. A habit is something you do again and again. For example, I drink tea every morning. That is a habit.
Yes. Self-discipline helps you build good habits, small habits, not big, scary habits, just small ones.
Let's learn a simple sentence now. You can say, I wake up early. You can also say, I wake up early every day. Or, I wake up early for my work. Simple, clear, useful.
You can repeat softly, I wake up early. Good.
Many people think success is big, like a big job, big money, big fame. But, success starts very quietly.
Yes, success often starts with one small choice, like drinking water instead of soda, or reading one page instead of watching videos.
Let me explain another word. The word is choice. A choice means you decide between two things. For example, I choose to study, or I choose to sleep more.
Self-discipline helps you make better choices, not perfect choices, just better ones.
Let's talk about feelings. Sometimes you feel motivated. Sometimes you feel tired. Sometimes you feel sad.
And that is normal, very normal. You do not need to feel strong every day.
Here's a gentle idea. Self-discipline is not about feelings. It is about actions. Even when feelings are low, actions can be small.
Let me explain a useful word here. The word is motivation. Motivation means the feeling that makes you want to do something. For example, I feel motivated today.
But motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays, even when motivation sleeps. Small smile.
Let's make another simple sentence together. I do my work. I do my work slowly. I do my work every day. Very easy, very helpful.
Hmm. Now, let's gently explain a very basic verb idea. We often use the present tense for daily life. For example, I work, I study, I wake up. We use these when we talk about things we do often.
You don't need to think about rules. Just listen to how it sounds. I work every day. It feels natural.
Now, think about one small goal in your life. Just one. Maybe learning English. Maybe saving money. Maybe being healthy.
Do not think about everything, just one small thing. Yes.
Let me explain another word. The word is goal. A goal is something you want to achieve. For example, my goal is to speak English better.
Self-discipline helps you move closer to your goal, step by step. Not fast, not perfect.
Let's talk about time. Many people say, I don't have time.
Yes, but often time is there. It is just hidden in small moments.
The next word is focus. Focus means giving your attention to one thing. For example, I focus on my study for 10 minutes.
10 minutes is enough. You do not need 1 hour. Discipline loves small time.
Let's practice a sentence now. I focus on one thing. I focus for 10 minutes. I focus every morning. Softly repeat. Good.
Sometimes we fail. We miss a day. We feel bad.
And that is okay. Self-discipline is kind. It says, try again tomorrow.
Here is another useful word. The word is fail. Fail means something does not go as planned. For example, I failed today, but I will try again.
Trying again is success, too. Many people forget that.
Let's talk about routines. Morning routines, evening routines.
The word is routine. A routine is a set of actions you do every day. For example, my morning routine is tea and reading.
Routines make discipline easy. You don't think much, you just do.
Sentence time again. I have a routine. I have a morning routine. My routine helps me. Simple and strong.
Now, another very easy verb idea. We often use I am to talk about how we feel now. I am tired. I am calm. I am learning.
You can say, I am learning discipline. That sounds nice, yes?
Very nice.
Let's talk about success again. Success is not loud. It is quiet.
Success is you keeping a promise to yourself, even a small promise.
The word is promise. A promise is when you say you will do something. For example, I promise to study today.
Keep small promises. That builds trust with yourself.
Now, let's slow down. Take a breath.
You are doing well. Just listening is already discipline.
Let's review some words softly. Discipline, habit, choice, motivation, goal, focus, routine, promise.
And some sentences. I wake up early. I do my work every day. I focus for 10 minutes. I am learning discipline.
You learned something today. Yes, you did. Feel that calm confidence.
Let me ask you gently, what is one small habit you want to start? Just one.
And when do you want to do it? Morning or evening?
If you like this calm conversation, please like this podcast.
Subscribe and stay with us. You can also comment and share your small goal.
We are proud of you for listening today.
Thank you for spending this peaceful time with us.
Take care of yourself.
Goodbye, and keep going slowly.